Welcome to the Prosobab tutorial on how to find tablets. This is the second out of 4 tutorials in which you will also learn how to look for attestations, how to search for individuals, or how to perform a more complex search. Our second tutorial starts with a general introduction to the search page, followed by some search examples that will highlight some tips and tricks to help you obtain accurate search results. So let's start! The search page is organized in 3 columns. From left to right, the columns can be used to look for attestations, individuals, and tablets. For this tutorial, we will focus on the column on the far right. Tablets can be found by looking on the museum or acquisition number, the tablet's connection to other tablets such as joins, duplicates, or the archive to which it is attributed, by searching on text types or objects mentioned in the text, the date and place of writing, and the presence of physical markings. The checkboxes of certain search fields are activated by default. A tip and trick is to commence each search by selecting the checkboxes of the search fields that should be visible in your search results and deselecting the ones that shouldn't. For our first search, let's find all the tablets that are published in the Yale Oriental series, abbreviated by YOS, followed by an asterisk to perform a wildcard search. It would also be nice to find all the tablets that are published in the Asiatische Schriftdenkmäler. To search them simultaneously, a tip and trick is to use the plus sign to add an additional search field. If you want to look for a certain text type, a tip and trick is to perform a search within a search. What we see now are all the receipts that are published in the Yale Oriental series and in the Asiatische Schriftdenkmäler. Next to the publication column, other primary publications are listed. Another tip and trick is to rearrange the search results by using the arrows at the top of each column. For instance, we can rearrange chronologically the date when the tablets were written. Going back to the search page, we can start a new search by clicking on the clear button. For our second search, let's find all the sale contracts of arable land and houses. While typing, options will appear from the central selection window. It's important to choose this option to generate an accurate search result. The objects are divided in categories: building, taxes, furniture. For our example, we choose land. Specifications of objects are listed in Akkadian along with an English translation. To search simultaneously all the sale contracts of a house, a tip and trick is to use the plus sign to add an additional search window. The subtype is again purchase. The object here is different, building. As a specification of the object, we type house and select B2 house. The difference between main and other object is that the main objects are directly connected to the transaction as reflected in the document type. In our example, this is the arable land and the house. Other objects are all other objects that are not the main objects. This can, for example, be kaspu or silver that is being paid to purchase the house or the arable land. A tip and trick is to choose the number of search results you want to display. You can also choose whether or not you want to display certain information. Let's deselect, for example, the name, patronym, family name, and title. This pop-up window gives an overview of the tablet information. Each tablet has its own identification number and fixed URL link. Both can be used for citation. The tablet page gives detailed information of that particular tablet. It lists, for example, the other objects. It also contains URLs to other online projects, such as Nabucco. This next tip and trick is very exciting. You can also download your search result by choosing your preferred digital format. This can be an Excel file that can be imported in a social network analysis program. I hope this was a helpful tutorial. If you have any other further questions, please check out our detailed guidelines on the project's website. Here you can see our conventions for abbreviations of publications, museum numbers and team names. Or don't hesitate to contact us via email. Thank you for watching.